Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this turban hat. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. I recommend you to only use stretchy fabric to make this turban hat. I will fold the fabric in half to make it easier to see. The width is 25 inches and the length is head circumference plus 8 inches. With the fabric folded in half, sew here. These are the patterns on my sewing machine. To sew elastic fabric, we can't use this regular stitch. Instead, I will use this knit stitch to sew this turban hat. If you don't have this pattern on your sewing machine, you can use a regular zigzag stitch. You can see my knit stitch here. This is to let us stretch the fabric without fear of popping a seam. Now turn the fabric inside out. You can see the seam here. Pin this. And the other side. Now, I will refer this as the wrong side and this as the right side. With the right side facing us, tie a knot. With the right sides here, bring them together. And sew here using a serger. I will hide the tail using darning needle. Now you can see these pins here. With the right sides here, bring the pins together. And sew here using regular stitch. After this, I will sew here using a serger. I will hide the tails again using darning needle. Now I will finish the back side of this turban hat. Sew running stitch on the back side here. Secure the thread several times. And trim it. To finish the gap here, I will hand stitch to close the gap. Our turban hat is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this turban hat tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.